In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I take my chicken breasts that I feel like I won the lottery and bought them on sale today and clean them, meaning how I take the excess fat and things like that off and get them ready so I can make delicious recipe. Let's get started. The first things first, I take these large chicken breasts and I'm gonna place them on my plastic cutting board so I can wash it in hot water afterwards. And I have a very sharp, it's called a boning knife, but you wanna use a sharp knife to handle this job. Now we're starting out with 2 large chicken breasts, which I'm going to pad dry with a paper towel. One quick tip before you move on to trim the rest of your chicken breast is to make sure that one hand stays dry so you can handle your knife really well and you don't cut yourself. And then you designate the other hand for the chicken handling. I simply take a look around and I wanna separate any excess fat from the chicken breast, just like this. And with my knife, really gently, it separates. I don't even have to work real hard because my knife is very sharp, so it makes the job much easier. And then flip it around and take a look and see where else can I remove any excess trimmings, just like this. Now, once this chicken breast is ready, I can butterfly it, which I'll show you how to make in this next video, or prep it for any of the other recipes. Now, if you love these kind of quick tip videos, make sure to give this a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel. See you guys next time.